Welcome art enthusiasts. Today I'm thrilled to share with you the process of creating my second stained glass project, a stunning rose made with 7 vibrant colors. Our first step is bringing this beautiful rose to life. To ensure a perfect fit, I secure the pattern to the glass using rubber cement and add an extra layer on top. Then, it's time for the magic of the ring saw. Using a ring saw, I precisely cut each piece, following the prepared paper pattern. Now, let's add a personal touch. For certain sections of the rose, I prefer freehand cutting. I trace the glass piece by piece. I sometimes use a permanent marker in a light box to help with this process. In the description box below, I will list a comprehensive list of all the items that I used in this video. Once traced, I use my trusty glass cutters to follow the lines. To separate the glass, I rely on my handy Grozing nipping glass pliers. I do this process over and over again by cutting near the line of the permanent marker with my glass cutter and then breaking apart the glass using my Grozing nipping pliers. Attention to detail is crucial in stained glass art. To ensure seamless edges, I gently grind the pieces that I freehand cut. The inland grinder helps me achieve the perfect fit as each piece finds its place in the grand design. To another essential step, copper foiling. Carefully, I wrap each piece of glass with black back 3/16" copper foil tape. This not only enhances the structural integrity, but also adds a touch of elegance. It's like giving each piece its own graceful outline. Pay attention because this is where the magic happens. Using a technique called burnishing, I gently polish the copper foil, ensuring a secure bond between the glass and the foil. This meticulous process is a crucial part of the overall progress, and it elevates the final result to a whole new level. I continue to wrap each piece of glass with the black back copper foil tape and then burnish. It's time to bring everything together. With the glass pieces foiled and burnished, I begin soldering. To maintain stability during the process, I carefully tape one side of the rose, securing the pattern in place. Then I solder one side before untaping it to solder the other side. During the construction of my stained glass project, I maintain a continuous process of adding flux and 60/40 lead solder until the piece is completed. As it is only my second stained glass project aside from jewelry, I found it necessary to utilize copper wire to help fill in the gaps where the pieces didn't fit together seamlessly like a puzzle. As I mentioned before, after I solder one side of the rose, I then flip over the rose, taking off that tape that was holding it into place. Go ahead and flux and solder with the lead 60/40 continuously until it's complete. This back and forth technique ensures smooth and seamless solder lines. After the soldering is complete, we enter the cleaning phase. To showcase the true beauty of the glass, it's essential to clean away any residue left behind by the soldering process. To add depth and contrast, we introduce the final touch, black patina. This chemical solution darkens the solder lines. Once we're finished doing the black patina, we then go ahead and wash with warm soapy water. I usually do it about 2 times, and then afterwards I also clean with rubbing alcohol. Now that our rose is complete, we must protect and preserve its beauty for years to come. Applying a coat of wax to the glass provides a protective layer. Thank you for joining me on my second stained glass project, expanding beyond jewelry. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on my upcoming DIY projects. Until next time, stay blissful and keep crafting.